fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse.
Alright guys, let's start with the bronzy glowing makeup. I'm using my favorite Fenty foundation. We'll be leaving the name of the foundation, the exact shade name in the description box along with all other details. So I'm just doing very thin but 2 layers so that I get a good coverage. As you can see, I am breaking out a bit. Then I'm using my current favorite NARS concealer, and it is I think in the shade custard. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave the name in the description box. Make sure that you just tip it on your face, and here I have a good base. Now I'm using my Laura Mercier powder set. Now this is a sampler, and that's what I always do when I'm buying luxury products. So I got these two, one was glow and one is transparent. So I use transparent under my eye, and now I'm using the glow one all over the face. So I'm just going to kind of bake my face a bit and then make sure that all the powder is off. Now with my handy dandy Anastasia contour kit, I am using a little bit of a darker, I would say cool toned brown, not cool tone, mid tone brown, and I'm just going to warm up my face. And today I am doing a little heavier of warming up, bronzing up of my face, because I want to look tanner and like glowing and very summery kind of. And then I came in with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using a brown shade, and I am actually using it almost all over my eye, and then coming in with this rusty kind of a shade and going a little over my crease so that my eyes look a little bigger and a little rounder. Once I have that, I am using a very light base color to give my eyes a little bit of a depth. Then coming in with the rusty color again, and I'm going to smudge it under my eye as I always do. Make sure that the bottom shadow meets the top shadow in the end, and that gives a very neater look. Just blending everything and we are done. Now here is a new product. It's like a jelly lip thingy from MAC. I will leave the name below in the description box. It gives such a good, beautiful glass-like finish to the eye. You have seen this, I'm sure, in a lot of editorials, so it looks really nice. But if you have really oily eyelids, or if you are going out of the sun, then please do not do it. It's only for like parties and indoor places, otherwise it's going to smudge off. So yeah, after that I came in with my Nude Sticks highlighter, and this is such a nice highlighter, guys. I loved it. Using the same MAC product on my cheek as well for that gorgeous bronzy kind of a glow, and it looks so nice and glowing from within, natural, glass-like. I just love it. So then I'm coming with my Nude Sticks cream concealer blusher, and this is one of my favorite blushers. I absolutely love it. It looks really natural, but I'm using it very sparingly today because I don't want to look like rosy. I just want to look bronzy. Did my brows very quickly off the camera, and I am back. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and I'm skipping my fake eyelashes today. I'll just be applying a lot of mascara. This one is from MAC, and I absolutely love it. Alright, so I am almost done. I'm just using this kind of a rosy, very light color in the inner corners and blending it. Next, I'm using MAC Spice Lip Liner. I'm going to line my lips and also fill them in. This is an absolute gorgeous color. So if you are in a hurry and you do not know which lip color to wear, I will just recommend carrying this lip pencil, and it'll save your day. Next, I'll be using this Huda Beauty. I think it is in the color Trendsetter. I absolutely love this thing. It is going to make sure that your lips stay in place all day long. And I wanted a little bit of glow here. So I'm using this lip strobe again from Huda Beauty, which I am absolutely loving these days. It's, I think, in the color Shameless. My favorite glow kit by Anastasia. I'm just using a bronzy kind of a shade on my body, and with this we are almost done, guys. Alright, so here is the final look. I absolutely loved it. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.
This ain't even love yet.